Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Rock Light Kit is probably one of the most exciting upgrades you can make to your off-road vehicle. These kits not only boost your vehicle's nighttime visibility but also add a serious dose of style. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or simply want to make your ride stand out, rock lights are a game-changer, offering both functionality and a head-turning aesthetic. Number 5. MICTUNING RGB Rock Lights, Bluetooth Control. These MICTUNING rock lights use high-brightness RGB 3-in-1 LEDs. The light output is more uniform and natural. The frosted surface allows for 80% light transmittance. The Rock Lights controller has a built-in automotive-grade chip. This provides an easier, faster, and more stable Bluetooth connection. You won't have to worry about slow or unstable connections anymore. These lights are IP68 waterproof, so they work well in any weather. The solid aluminum housing is impact-resistant for durability and better heat dissipation. This extends the lifespan to over 50,000 hours. One app can control all MICTUNING lights, eliminating the need for multiple apps. You can connect multiple lights of the same type. Join the MICTUNING family. Simply scan the QR code to download the MICTUNING app. Follow the instructions and connect the Bluetooth device to set your lighting effects. Check out YouTube for connection instructions. What we like. This kit boasts a true bright RGB experience, ensuring uniform and natural light output. It also features a stable Bluetooth connection, eliminating frustrating disconnections. If you're looking for a rock light kit that offers a seamless and reliable user experience, this is the one. With the Magic Link app, it simplifies control over all your MICTUNING lights, making it perfect for those who value convenience and integration. What people say. These lights are bright and well made, for being small they pack a punch. Wide variety of color modes to choose from, easy installation. The RGB is fun for camp vibes, but the real win? Not trashing my rig in the dark. Easy install, no wiring drama, and built tough. Number 4. Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. Introducing the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. This kit will transform your vehicle's look. It offers vibrant, customizable lighting effects. Take control with the Bluetooth app. You can easily change colors, adjust brightness, and select from various modes. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. These lights are built tough with die-cast aluminum housing and toughened glass. They are waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, and rustproof. They are made to last. The Nilight Rock Lights fit a wide range of vehicles. Whether it's an off-road vehicle, truck, or SUV, this kit is designed for universal use. The package includes 4 sets of rock lights, rubber pads, wiring harnesses, and a controller. Remember to connect the lights together before connecting to power to avoid damage. What we like. This kit offers app control, music mode, and flashing functions, allowing you to customize your lighting experience. Built with rock-solid construction, it's designed to withstand various conditions. If you're an off-road enthusiast or someone who enjoys customizing their vehicle's aesthetics, this kit's universal fit and versatile features make it an excellent choice. It's perfect for adding a touch of personality to your ride. What people say. Each puck has 3 committed diodes, 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue, which give bright, 3-tone light. Light pucks are made of 2 powder-coated aluminum pieces closed with 4 hex screws accessible on the rear of each puck. The lights controller is a rugged plastic box. I have mine mounted under the cab of my truck, and I've had 0 issues with Bluetooth connectivity or responsiveness. Number 3. Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. Introducing the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. This kit provides top bright and high-intensity RGB colors for your vehicle's exterior lighting. It's designed to make your ride stand out. These lights are built tough. Featuring an IP68 waterproof rating and premium aluminum construction, it ensures high performance and a long lifespan. You can count on it for years to come. With millions of colors and various modes, you can define your style. It includes flashing, strobing, music sync, and voice response features. Add fun to your ride with ease. The upgraded controller box is smaller and easier to install. Compatible with iOS and Android, just download the app, connect via Bluetooth, and control the lights. It's simple and reliable. Installation is straightforward. Choose the right mounting pad, connect the lights, and fix the controller. It's designed for a universal fit, making it suitable for various vehicles. These lights are versatile. Operating on 9-32V DC, it can be used on trucks, ATVs, UTVs, and more. It adds both style and safety to your vehicle, enhancing its look and visibility. What we like. This kit delivers top bright and durable performance with its high-quality LED chips and IP68 waterproof rating. It offers multiple lighting modes, including music sync and timing functions, to match your mood. If you're looking for a kit that's easy to install and provides both style and safety, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want to enhance their vehicle's appearance while ensuring long-lasting performance. What people say. Each puck has 3 committed diodes, one red, one green, one blue, which give bright, 3-tone light. The lights controller is a rugged plastic box. I have mine mounted under the cab of my truck, and I've had zero issues with Bluetooth connectivity or responsiveness. The lights each come with 2 silicone pads for mounting them to the frame, one for flat surfaces and one for curved surfaces. Number 2. YiLaie 8 Pods RGB LED Rock Lights. This innovative design features a brake warning function. When you brake, all the lights turn red, enhancing safety on the road. It offers quick control options for easy mode changes while driving. Each pod is equipped with high-brightness 5050 multicolor LEDs. These lights provide quality output with excellent brightness and uniformity. You'll experience a vibrant and consistent glow. With the app, you can select any color you desire. The lights also sync to your music's rhythm. Enjoy your favorite tunes with dynamic lighting effects while you drive. The lights are built with ultrasonic welding for superior waterproofing, rated IP68. It is also dustproof and rustproof. The smart chip ensures a fast and stable Bluetooth connection. Download the app by scanning the QR code. It is compatible with iOS and Android. These lights are perfect for various vehicles and can also be used indoors. What we like. This kit features a unique brake warning function, enhancing safety on the road. It utilizes high-quality LEDs for bright and uniform lighting. If you prioritize safety and want to add a dynamic element to your vehicle's lighting, this kit is perfect. It's designed for those who want to stand out while ensuring their vehicle is visible to others. What people say. Straightforward to install, nice and bright. Brake light feature is very nice. All works as it should. Alles solide verarbeitet und funktioniert einwandfrei, kabel ausreichend lang und LED richtig hell. Am besten ist, dass die Lichter bei Verwendung der Bremslichtgebildes umschalten auf Rot und danach automatisch in den vorherigen Modus funktionieren. Number 1. MICTUNING C2 Curved RGBW LED Rock Lights. MICTUNING has been a leader in LED rock lights since 2013. They've designed these lights based on market research and user needs, ensuring they're the brightest and most effective. With the Magic Link app, you can control all your MICTUNING lights from one place. This app allows you to connect multiple lights of the same type, making it easy to customize your setup. The C2 RGBW lights use advanced LED technology for pure colors and separate white light. You can easily customize the colors using the MICTUNING app. The curved surface design provides a 160 degrees ultra-wide-angle light. This design produces a larger and brighter irradiation area compared to other rock lights. These lights use an advanced Broadcom chip for a more stable Bluetooth connection. You can connect multiple sets of lights at once, enhancing your experience. The lights come with up to 11.48 feet of wiring for flexible placement. Additional wiring harnesses are included for easy power on-off. Buy with confidence knowing MICTUNING stands behind its products. They offer a quick response time and lifetime customer support. What we like. This kit features pure color output and a revolutionary curved surface design for a wider irradiation area. The stable Bluetooth connection ensures a seamless user experience. If you're looking for a rock light kit with superior light output and a user-friendly interface, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want the brightest and most visually appealing lighting effects. What people say. The cable connections screw together and are waterproof. The app is also really easy to download and use to control the lights. There are several different options for colors, patterns, brightness, and the speed is adjustable from steady on to pretty much strobe lights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.